Welcome to my coding school. In this video, we are going to look at the Microsoft Office suite or package, or simply say MS Office. So to start with, I have here a desktop that is open. And whenever we are talking about Microsoft Office, we are normally planning to work with documents. So here we have different types of documents. So I'll start by opening this application. It's called Adobe Acrobat. It is used to open PDF files. So here, whenever I have a PDF document, I'll use this app, and then I'll get one of the PDFs here that I have, and then to open and read this PDF, and you can see you can make annotations like highlighting. You can add text, and then you can use other features. So this is how you open such files. And then if you do not have this app, you can simply locate your file, and then after that I'll choose here one of the books that I have, for example this one, and then I'll right click, and then I'll go to Firefox, one of the browsers. It can be Chrome, Opera Mini, or another browser. It will open the document. So here the document loads, and then after it loads, you can now view it. On this side we have the navigation, and then here we have different types of annotations. If you look in this book, you will notice that it has some highlights here. So I've worked with it for quite some time, so that's why it's highlighted. So that's how you deal with PDFs. And then if you have another type of document which is not a PDF, you can use this app called Thorium. I'll open it and then wait for it to load. And then here, after it loads, it will show me the books that I have available. So here, these are one of the books that I've been reading. I'll just come to all publications, and then it will load all the books that I have so far. And then I can click into any of them, for example this one, and then after it loads, I can start to read it. So this is how I work with EPUB documents. And then now let us go to the main thing. So whenever we are working with documents, first of all we need to create a folder. So here I'll right click, then I'll come to the new folder here, then I'll click here the folder, and then I'll name this documents, and then say this document I'll create a new file. I can come here, right click, and then new. Then you'll see that I have here different types of files. I have Word, I have Microsoft Project, and so on. But the most common one is to come into the word processor. So here I have it down here. But if you don't have it down there, you can click the Windows button, and then you can simply search Word. And then you can click into this, and then it will open up Microsoft Word. And then click into the black document, and then you can start putting in some document. For example, here some text, and then I can Control S to save, choose where I want the document to be, and then I'll put it simply at the desktop like this, and then I'm done. So the reason why this is black is because I'm using a dark theme, but I can go to personalize here, and then with personalize I can choose a light theme, for example this one. And then after I choose the light theme, you will see that the system will change. And then if I come back to MS Office, you will see now that it has changed, and this is how you will normally use it and work with text. So that is MS Word. And then let's go to the next tab. Here I have a presentation. So this one is used every time you want to create a presentations. We have different themes. So here, for example, I have this slide that I designed for a certain series. So you can learn how to design this using PowerPoint. And then the next one is publisher. So whenever you want to create advertisements for brochures and other types of publications, you can come here and get one of the templates. For example, I want to create a certificate. I will come here, I choose one of the templates that are available here, and then I open it, and then I'll be able to make some edits. After making the edits, I save it, then I can print it out. So that's the use of a publisher. And then if we go on to project, so whenever you as a project manager, you have project-based workflows, you can use this application. So here I can check into the templates if I have any, but if I don't have, I can simply click on the blank, and then I'll use this layout to do most of those things. But for now, we shall not do anything because this will need some time to learn. So we shall leave it at that. And then we have Microsoft Visio. So when I want to create basic diagrams, I can use this. So here you see we have different templates. For example, for business, I can open one of these, and then like this diagram here, and then I wait for it to load. So now we have this blank sheet of layout or the canvas. So I can add different things and then processes, and then I can edit them the way I want, and it will give me a diagram that best describes the idea. So I will not save. I will go to the next one, which is Microsoft Teams. So whenever you are working with meetings and so on, you can use this to create an online meeting, and then people can join in to that meeting instead of having physical meetings. So that's it for MS Office. I will see you in the next video.